Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey.
How are you?
I recently take a lot of chicken, so now I feel better to eat chicken.
Really?
Yeah. My boyfriend was so into that. So whenever he's stressed, just like order the chickens. So like, really?
Yes, it looks so good. I still look at that video, but I'm telling you, it's so good. It's perfect.
Okay.
So good.
Do you like the food?
I do. Pineapple juice is lovely.
So tell them like, take a pineapple juice right here.
Fresh pineapple juice with the lemon inside. We have the bibimbap. We have the chicken, the spicy chicken wings. We have the fries, and we have the Diet Coke.
With you, the sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you.
So what's your wishes?
Oh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling.
That's it.
Never felt so real. My heart is on the table cause you're my everything. I do. I wanna marry you. Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you.
Wait, I was just here yesterday.
You did?
Baby, take my hand, hold it tight.
Maybe it's not shakeable.
Well, I still can see the white though.
Me too. So it's not good enough. Yeah, it's really good. So pretty.
Ta-da! Strawberry tastes so good.
It's so good.
Freaking, what's the white one? What is it?
I don't know what it is. In my bag.
Oh.
This is a very odd angle.
You ready?
Yes. Very odd angle.
Yeah.
Okay, not really crazy about it. I see why they give you, but I think it would have been so much better too. You would have to see the drum. I mean, you still could. I'm pretty sure. It would be like really like weird though. Like it's like a gelatin.
I did it.
Okay, No, watch.
What?
Oh wait, it's
Let me go.
just let me go.
Yeah.
Okay. So, oh wait, so it's just let me. Wait. It's like just let me.
Yeah, better. 오랜만에 지하철을 타고
Anything else today? Great. It's going to be $15.79, please.
하늘도 진짜 파래. 여기가 뭔가 센트럴파크의 제일 아이코닉한 곳? 쉰메도우라는 곳인데 예전에 제가 알기로 양들을 키웠던 그런 목조지였어서 이름이 쉰메도우라고 알고 있어요. 한국에서는 지금 막 5인 이상 금지 그런 규정이 있는 걸로 알고 있는데 여기 오면 다들 깜짝 놀랄 것 같은 그런 곳? 저렇게 막 졸업식 하고 사진 찍는 사람들도 있고 저희도 졸업식이 다다음 주인데 여기서 하거든요. 펴줘. 땡스. 파크에 있다가 배가 고파가지고 제일 좋아하는 체인 샐러드샵? 젤리처럼 이렇게 샤워하는 건데 되게 생각보다 좋더라고요. 쓸수록 좀 따르긴 하는데 되게 추천. 오이씨. 좀 더 큰 거? 추천 진짜. What's that? 저거 봐. 음식물 수거장 그런 거야? Bad. Look at that. It's pooping. Just missed. Fuck. So do you want me to show my portfolio or?
Won't you let me dream
프랑스어도 배울 겸?
that you're mine again for just one dance? So let my blue heart pretend I'm just a fool and I can't get over you. So let me dream in my dream.
인터뷰 준비한다 오늘 하나도 못 먹어가지고 갑자기 끝나고 뭔가 배도 너무 고프고 스트레스도 받아서 진짜 빨간 음식들. 이미 이만큼 먹고 있잖아.
For what else can I do? Won't you let me dream? If my dreams can come true.
Si t'annules, c'est là qu'il gagne.
I know you remember what we used to have. You wanna throw that all away. How it makes me feel so sad. Won't you let me dream? What else can I do? Won't you let me dream? If my dreams can come true.